Sec.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Surprise, surprise. Gideon is on time. Good job. Good job.
Today, did you take longs yesterday?
What?
Did you take longs yesterday on NQ?
Me longs yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't take any trade anymore.
Dude, yesterday was so bad. Like, I knew we were gonna pump, but just the worst way possible.
I took shorts today, though.
Today was clean. I think
It's
we
very
could still
clean.
get shorts today, guys. Like, maybe a run at this high at the open. Something like this. Can we get that? GM? Yeah, how you guys doing?
We're good.
This is
We're
like
good.
the last trading week day of the week, I think.
Yeah, what do you guys want to see on Friday, on our Friday stream?
Yeah, I don't
Other
think
than GeoGuessr, or what do you guys want to see?
I want to see you play Arc Rivals. That's what everyone's
Surely.
waiting on.
I think
Good to
so,
sell
yeah.
them. Gold. Gold was actually nice. Maybe let's try and get some longs in on gold as well. Like we run the high lows, get the highs or something. Wouldn't be the worst idea.
I mean, look on the daily, and you have a little trend line over there. I wouldn't be too surprised if NQ would pump, though. I just
Today.
Well, today or either later, because look at this perfect trend line on the daily. Still going to be a lot of ticks, though, but
what do we have? We have Monday low so far. Potentially. Maybe we go higher to go lower. Something like this. Or maybe we run the lows like this.
yes, Project X is available, and it will probably be available until January to make sure that everyone gets a very smooth transition to our new platform, which we're gonna announce soon.
Yes, I know where it is. Finally.
Finally.
I waited so long for this one.
We've been waiting 11 months. Crazy.
So I have two scenarios for the open today. Either we take out the high to go lower, or run the low to go higher. Pretty simple stuff today. Any new plans?
Any new plans? Maybe. Maybe. Can you explain that the difference between high and low probability trades? Yeah, Robin, I saw a trade from you this morning, and the thing is, the 1 minute, like, let's say for example, you got a scenario where you inverse a 1 minute, but you have a 5 minute below that, then the 5 minute initially is the higher probability one, since it's most likely going to be stronger for value gap than the 1 minute. Like a teeny tiny 1 minute for value gap is weaker, so it makes a lower probability trade than if a major 5 minute or 3 minute will be broken. You got something to add to that, bro?
Yeah, like as well as usually if we have like small ranges, I'm always looking for a large range. So if we have, I don't know, a huge expansion from London, New York's usually going to be a chop. So right now we're chopping around, so I expect New York to be a better session. So small ranges will create large ranges, and then large will create small. And obviously you want to trade in the larger ones. That's the easiest way to differentiate the best trading setups, I would say.
Also, usually what people don't expect, that if you make an inverse or react to some value gap or whatever your trading model or your entry model is, the way how it happens does matter. It does matter how the setup is taking place. So if you got an inverse that happens really slow, then it's immediately a lower probability trade than if a setup happens fast. So if a candle moves fast and then closes above a value gap to get into a long on an inverse specifically, then that's probably going to be higher probability than the ones that break it really slowly. As well as, I think, Ralph, with your 3 candle strategy, like closing below 3 candles, it makes a difference how fast that happens.
Yeah, like everyone uses like a one candle change in delivery, but again, to me, I'm looking for some sort of liquidity to be ran out to validate the OB. So if we run the low, an OB is always going to get validated from liquidity. So if we're bullish, I want to see at least 3 candles, because the opposing one is always going to be a bearish fair value gap. So the market realistically should hold that up and push it lower. If that fails, then okay, we're going higher. And that's like the easiest way that I identify anyway. Like a complete delivery shifting at when I can enter too. It's like the easiest way, I'd say.
Definitely.
My bias is longs. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a push higher to go lower, I guess.
I think gold is going to do the exact opposite, lower to go higher. I think it's going to go into this new day
Yeah.
new
Well,
day
this is what
gap.
I like of gold, to be honest. It's a pretty good market. Wouldn't mind it.
Wait, did that gap happen on the Tuesday?
On the daily?
No, it happened on the day itself, no?
Which gap?
Yeah. You do not see a gap?
On what time frame?
1 hour. You
Oh,
zoom out. Oh, you don't see a gap, do you?
no. I'm looking at gold futures. What are you looking at
I am
there?
too.
Oh, I don't know.
Let me just check, maybe I got a different contract or something.
What are we trading today? We're trading NQ. I really would like a run lower, but I want to see a poke higher first.
Waiting for one more DTR strategy to visualize today at New York Open.
Should have visualized it today in New York. I mean, London, actually. So clean. The run to the
I
lows.
did visualize it and it did happen.
Yeah. Finn got a crazy entry as well. It's very good day. Let's see. New York could be a bit better.
I don't trade anymore today though. Just here to analyze.
Yeah. I mean, if I get something, I'll try and take it. It has to be like our trade on Monday. Like Monday was very nice. Where did we even take it? We took a yes.
Yeah.
That day we were not looking at you.
That was so clean. So incredibly clean. Yes, the volume is definitely going to be less in the next few days. Tomorrow we got Thanksgiving. Is it tomorrow? Yeah, it's tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
And then on Friday is the day after bank holiday, plus Sunday you got OPEC meetings. So it's going to be very risky to trade on a Friday.
Yeah.
And it's the last day of the month as well.
If we don't sell off on Friday, then the market's just wrong.
Ralph is never wrong. Ralph is never
always,
wrong. The market is wrong.
Market. Yeah, Friday. We can actually take a screenshot of this. Friday, I expect sells. That's everything right now. Even today,
Right.
I expect sells.
Take a screenshot of that.
So yeah, if the market pumps on Friday, though, no one of you can share that screenshot. By the way, it's just how it goes.
It's just how it works. It will probably open an opening gap, yeah.
Yeah, like you can trade. It just depends on if you want to sit through slower price action.
I think if you trade bank holidays, you just haven't traded enough.
True, yeah. Bank holidays and FOMC days are genuinely the worst.
It's no point.
Easily the worst days of any. Alright, we got 15 minutes until this open. I mean, I don't doubt we don't run these highs minimum. Hopefully. Something, I think ES could be better for the upside. If they want to run.
What is OPEC meetings? OPEC meetings is a gathering of the what is it short for?
Options expiry, isn't it? So the options contracts expiring. That's why I look at it as.
Yeah, it's basically, for me, it's the same thing as FOMC. Because just price action before that will be slow or will be random. And after, I mean, after it gets better, but not in between a bank holiday and meetings on Sunday.
The daily buy side is my. The thing is, this daily wick is too low. Like, there's literally no wick there. I'd still like them to run lower today. If I had to be like very picky about it. Like, I don't know. This is the low of the day so far. You know, I'd like a run at the low of the day.
Very close.
Yeah.
It's very close, actually.
This red line, 820's opening price. I taught that in one of my videos. I can't remember when. maybe like 2 weeks ago. We'll have to see. Hopefully they don't just sell it off. This is kind of what I'm looking for in gold. I think me and Finn are maybe a bit lower. One more
Yeah.
dig and then pushes up. Gold always nicer into the open. YM premium. Oh, I didn't see YM.
Yeah, YM isn't premium. I just don't trade out YM because terrible.
Yeah, if any of these guys are gonna pump like really hard, it might be YM getting into that daily gap. Please give me that.
I haven't seen Gideon say that you're not audible today. I'm almost
Oh yeah,
missing
that
it.
is a surprise. Bro, this might cost me like $600. And he just turns around to me and says I'm not audible. He just puts shame on my mind, bro.
You're not audible. Ugh. How's your guys' day today? Take any trades? Take any wins? W's? Morning, legendary Joe.
Oh, Joe, happy anniversary.
For what?
I'm assuming it's with his wife. He's my one-on-one guy.
Wow.
Student.
Nice. Congrats. No trades today. Okay.
Okay, so there we're getting a pump. I mean, I still expect the run of this high, 25,235. When we run higher, maybe a run lower. I've basically kicked out the footstool on my chair now, so when this happens, we're expecting big things.
Wait, what?
All right, we're bringing the
What?
magnet out. Bro, my chair, it has like a kick out for my feet, so I can realistically fall asleep here if I wanted to.
Nice. Yeah, I can definitely not fall asleep in my spot. You know, fall on the ground.
This is the draw for us. The magnet's out.
Here we go again. The magnet is out. You'll know what happens when the magnet is out.
Pro looks 5'5". I'm like 187 centimeters. You can just go on my Instagram and see. I'm stood next to a Lamborghini Urus. How tall is a Urus? I think a Urus is like 6 foot, right? It's like
You're
6
saying
foot.
you're saying that I would stick above a fucking Euros?
I don't. You wouldn't fit in a. You wouldn't fit in like a Lambo. I don't think. Finn's like 6'6".
No.
You. They're gonna think you're like 5 foot now.
6'4".
Oh really? You're
Reckon.
actually kind of small, bro. When you think about it, it's not that big. I thought you were like 6'6".
I do fit in a Lamborghini, by the way. I do.
Oh, you got a trade in Asia. Nice. I got a trade in London today. I'm like 3 days in a row. My models just formed bang bang. It's crazy. I literally gave a money glitch out.
Yeah, definitely. It's crazy. Crazy money glitch.
It is.
I mean, the magnet is out, so technically we should just...
Yeah, the magnet's out. We should get to here. Like, there's no way we don't get to this high. If we don't, then I'll be surprised.
Oh, damn. Yeah. We good.
Every time Asia... Yeah, I mean, Asia continuation, London reversals usually makes sense.
1 second.
And you got to think about it. Like, everyone since Asia, all they saw was the market just pump higher, and then as soon as London opens, someone's wanting to buy up here, and the person that's trying to buy, they're buying at a premium. The person wants to sell, they're obviously selling at a premium. So it makes a lot more sense to short the market around here than to buy it. The market is... That's a really good quote. I'll just have to put it on the screen. So you always got to think about, like, as harsh as it sounds, but this is just trading. Like, when you're trading the market on your own, no one's there to, like, be like, oh, I hope this guy trading on the other side of the world makes money. Someone's looking at the market like it's pumping, and they're like, some idiot wants to buy up here. And if they want to buy up here, I want to short. That's literally like the harshest way to, like, tell you about trading. So whatever you think you want to do, try and think to the opposite of what most people would do. Sometimes you'll be wrong, but over time it will even out.
Yo, Finn, what's the cat's bias? It's short today.
Do you guys want to see the cat I'm getting? I forgot what it's called.
Yes, I do. You forgot what it's called?
I forgot what the cat was called again.
Oh, let me pull it up for you.
I can't post it on the screen. I don't know why.
It's a Bengal.
I know, but I can't.
Oh.
It's a
Snowlings
copy.
Bengal.
Alright, this is the cat, guys. Got a random cat on the screen. This is the one, guys. I'm going to teach it how to trade, and it's going to be amazing.
It's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice cat.
Yeah, this cat's like $2,000. Hella expensive. But that's the one we're going to get. We'll actually put the cat right here as well. So this is our draw. This is what we expect. Like, realistically, who's really live trading, calling where the market wants to go, and calling it with emojis? Like, I don't think anyone's doing this consistently as well, you know? It could be a high ROI, to be honest.
Rauf, I swear I'll ban you if you use your cat's name for an account.
Oh yeah, that one guy that was asking, can I buy an account if I'm 15?
He would just open an account on his cat's name. This cat is better than any paid courses, yeah, or many.
Yeah,
they
a lot
do
of people
remove bad energy.
Oh yeah, I saw that. There was, I saw that some guy was like, "Can my chicken get funded?" And the chicken actually got funded. That's the day I was like, "Bro, I don't want to hear any excuses for anyone that says they can't get funded." Because I saw a chicken get funded.
But how did he do it though? Because I saw the video, but I didn't look at
He
it very well.
basically just
Did he
told the
just
chicken to pick if he was bullish or bearish and just enter
yeah,
trades for it. That's
like
what I'm going to do with this
immediately
cat.
after the decision?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why is it 812? Oh, it's just a time cycle within the market. So like there's loads of time cycles here going on. I simply just haven't taught them. So I just taught you one that you can trade every day and make money with. So it's part of a cycle within the market. How did the chicken get funded? That's the mystery. Forget what came first, the chicken or the egg. How did the chicken get funded? I think ES will run higher too, hopefully.
What came first, the funded account or the chicken?
Nah, this is a real cat. This is the cat I'm buying. Look at it.
Loki, you should fly it out to Dubai when you come here.
Oh yeah,
They
I'm
could
gonna
be
get it a
mates.
chain. I'm gonna give
They
it
could
like a
be
diamond
mates.
chain.
Oh, I know a very good place to buy diamonds, trust me.
Is it you?
No, I done a
You're
bunch of deals. I done a
gonna
bunch of
sell me your
deals with them.
business?
I done a bunch of deals with them, so he gives me very good discount for like buy-in price instead of the resale price.
Yeah. 100-carat diamonds.
If you want.
Yeah, so we're basically playing a mind game for the New York Stock Open. We're basically showing them how could you not take out these highs when there's a cat and a magnet here? How could you not? Oh, actually, we're just taking out the range high as well. Mechanically, we can drop to this low.
But it would be very weird if it does. I would be surprised if it does.
I'm hoping we still run this high.
The swing is basically now a failure swing.
Yeah. I'm hoping. Because I am bearish today, maybe until like this low. But I hope so they don't just kill it right off the open.
Let's see, 3 minutes. Wait, we got an actual doom candle now.
Doom candle?
Yeah, look. An actual doom candle.
Oh, the 28 one. Yes. Bro, I'm telling you, like they see the cat right here and the magnet. It's like no way they just forget about it.
Right, I thought the magnet would work to attract price and then the cat would scare it away.
Yeah, like no. This cat, they want to get to this price because the cat's so cute. They want to bring the market here. All right, we're almost there, guys. So if you took the longs, then you're doing a pretty decent job right here.
Could have taken a pretty good. Oh, no, not for me. No long. No long.
Yeah.
Cat's excited.
4 hours seems bullish. Yeah, but I don't want to buy the market.
You know
I
what
see it going here.
Okay, the 4 hours seems bullish, but we scalp. So we only take this much price.
Yeah,
you don't. You need tiny amount to trade. You don't need to know where the next 3-4 hour candles go. Just where the current one plus maybe the next one is moving.
Let's see. We should have a huge like gap though from the RTH.
Yeah.
Maybe a trade back into there.
I mean, we got a clear 1 minute for value gap now on the NQ. I wouldn't be too surprised. Now you don't have a failure swing anymore. It's the same situation, but then on ES on Monday.
Oh yeah. I think as long as ES stays bullish, NQ might pump a bit. All right, let's see how we opened up. So this gap is pretty. I want to see them fill in this gap. I don't want to see them leave it open. Right. Hopefully we can run this high. Then we can look for the downside. Yes is poking above.
Above
YM.
the high? Oh, yeah. I see.
Yeah, ES is slowly moving. The magnet trader. That's true, that's true. Alright. There we go.
There we
got
got
the
it.
high. Yeah. So who would have guessed, you know? Like, who would have guessed we would have got the high? The clippers who clip these, like, streams, they're going to be like, what the hell is this guy doing? But realistically, who's streaming and showing you guys where the magnet and highs are going to go, you know? Like, no one's doing this.
I mean, we're calling it every single time, so...
No one's doing this, bro. Alright, let's see if we can get a drop off. I want to see it sell off. So we got this high. Maybe if we're lucky to this low. But we're going to have to wait and see. Because I think... Oh, ES ran through the high as well. Hopefully we can get there. Run lower. I think if this candle can close below an up close, I think that's enough for it to sell off.
I would want to see the fair value get broken though. I wouldn't want to see a 2 or 3 minute close above though.
No. I think it's just going to be pretty slow. I hope they don't just push it higher, you know, slowly. Or rather just run the high and then get the lows.
I would assume that we would sell off still, because there's also equal lows around 25,172. So I would not expect us to keep pumping now.
So in these scenarios, you don't want to just buy as the market's pushing high. You know, before we had a draw, which was this high. So if you bought from down here, then fair enough. After this, you simply just got to wait for a setup that we can get for the lower. Hopefully we can get it before 10 a.m. Some gas, yeah. At least all three of them are in sync for once. One of these guys should start failing though.
Did you see the thing Gideon was starting in the chat? Apparently he hates cats. I love cats.
You don't
I
like
just
cats,
love dogs more, but I mean, I cannot have a dog now when I travel.
Damn.
He just very boldly said, I hate cats.
What? Oh, this is a great cat.
He said, I just look, wait, should I put it on screen?
Yeah, you should put it on screen.
Look.
I hate cats, but bro. This guy.
I just wanted to see Rauf's cat.
This guy's not real. I refuse to believe he's real.
I mean, come on.
Make billions? I wish I made billions. But making billions and millions is... Making a million is so different to making a billion. It's a whole different game.
That's a whole different game. Imagine my hairline when I would be trading with billions.
Bro, gold, I would love for it to trade higher into this.
It
I'm
would
still
mean
kind of
NQ would
bullish.
need to go lower.
Yeah. They've not really been in sync lately, though. NQ and
No,
gold. Like,
I don't.
usually
I
if
don't like
gold goes
the.
lower,
I don't like the 3-minute close on NQ though. Needs a very solid down close to solidify a sell off.
yeah, this 5-minute closes below this, then it should really tank. I really don't fancy buying up there, though. So I'll just have to wait on it. The next Warren Buffett. He's an investor, though. He doesn't even like day trading.
No, it's not.
Maybe it's a skill issue from him. He just couldn't master his emotions.
Maybe he
One
just
push left.
he was too emotional to be a scalper, you know. So that's why he became an investor.
Yeah. He couldn't handle the fluctuations, so he was like, you know what? Let me just throw money into a stock and hope it goes up.
Let me just put it in and forget about it.
Imagine he makes a video reacting to me and you trying to cook Warren Buffett.
Imagine someone clips this and just emails it to him. That would be terrible.
He would do a money spread on us. He'd be like, "Let's go yacht for yacht," and then me and you, we got.
Let's go yacht for yacht. Okay.
We can go day trade for day trade. How about that? That's the only time we'd win. Come on, this candle has to like close below this. All right, come on.
Infancy ward, yes. I would focus on one, unless you're talking about investing. I know that institutional traders are heavy into swing trading, but we're not institutional traders, right? So,
All right, this has got to be the sell-off. Come on.
wow. Okay. That's a legit sell-off, to be fair.
All right, we got to smoke this last low.
Sell-off.
Smoke this last low, then then I'm done. And then you guys can be like, damn, you know, this guy hopped on stream, showed a cat, the magnet, and then we were done.
And then we are done.
Let's go payout for payout. That would be pretty funny.
Let's go payout for payout. Awkward slowing down, though.
Yeah. I don't actually know why he just sold off like that, though. Maybe.
Okay. You can be honest to us. Did you just put in a sell position at the top? Is that why we're going down?
Yeah, guys, I just sold 1 micro. That's why we had the crazy reaction that we did right there. The 1 micro just couldn't handle the order book.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense then.
It was just too crazy.
No, that was a crazy sell-off, to be fair. I mean,
just someone must have entered something that they wasn't meant to.
Yeah, because now it's going up.
Like the order book just picked up someone fat-fingered like 1,000 minis for a short. And he saw it just tank and he's like, oh, fuck, let me close that.
It's like, fuck. That was not meant to be the position.
Because all the other two are still strong. I don't know why NQ went undid.
YM didn't even budge.
Nah, he didn't place anything on YM or yeah. He was like, fuck it, let me just get in on NQ. 1,000 minis for like 40 points. How much is that? It's got to be like 45k.
1,000
more.
minis?
Yeah.
No,
For
that's a
40
lot
points.
more.
Is it?
For 40 points?
Oh, it could be like
1,000 minis.
400k.
Yes.
Could be 400.
Wait.
Yeah.
So 1,000. So how many points?
40 points.
1,000 minis. That's 200k. 40 points. 1,000 minis.
That's crazy. Low key crazy. I want to get to the point where I can place 1,000 minis.
Wow. Yes.
I don't. But at that point, you're gonna have like a $5 million account. Most brokers aren't even facilitating. You might as well just buy a seat at a floor. To buy a seat at a floor, I think is like 15 mil.
Then you'd have to go to office. Probably at the point where you can place 1,000 minis, you wouldn't even have to trade anymore. Those 1,000 minis would be funny though, just for shits and giggles.
Did you trade? Of course, bro. This is my model to the tick. I took a short from here. Like literally 3 days in a row, my model's printed. I got out to this low.
Just... I'm very surprised why YM is still pumping though.
Dude, NQ should dump. Like, why haven't we sold
Yeah.
off yet? Everyone kindly wish happy birthday on stream at 10:20. Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday. Did you get any nice gifts?
Hopefully you can get in on this sell on NQ. I don't want to bring the hammer out just yet.
I think this guy he has either a spastic finger or really fat fingers. Like this cannot.
Bro, he's like placing.
Bro.
He's either he's selling 100 and buying 100 up and down.
I'll clip this and show my mom. I'll get late. Oh god.
Made payout
Amazing.
in my Rise account.
Congrats.
Nice.
Someone's fat fingering in this pair. I would expect, to be fair, I expected way more of a sell-off by now. But it's because YM is strong still.
Dude, YM and ES are pushing. NQ's not moving at all, so hopefully they keep NQ weak.
It's just the thing that now you have the SMT at the top with ES, so you should have taken out liquidity to go lower. It's just NQ is just not moving. I wouldn't be too surprised if NQ would go up again and then go down as well.
Yeah, I just don't know where it's going to go up from if it does. Makes more sense for either they sell NQ and then keep ES and Dow higher.
Yeah.
It's just too strong right now. One trade away from max. That's crazy. Well done. I've hated watching the open though on NQ. Like the first 15 to 30 minutes have been literally the worst.
Yeah. It's been like this for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah. What a chop.
You wouldn't expect... Oh, whoa.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, NQ pushed. Dude, ES and Dow there's like not a single down close candle between them.
No.
Gold's still just chopping around, to be honest. Maybe if it gives another run lower, then we can get the push higher. I want to see some sort of volume come into that market. NQ, we're just going to have to sit through this until it decides to...
Just doesn't make any sense.
Until it just decides to get better.
Gold just took off north. Well, not really.
Yeah, YM's up north.
YM,
Let's
yeah.
hope NQ drops off south.
Just crazy.
Coming payout, how much? Yeah, bro, let us know how much you're getting paid.
$20 million.
Wicks and wicks.
What is the biggest reason most traders fail, and how can I avoid it? The biggest reason why traders fail is that they don't stay away from their screen when they have to.
Yeah.
That's the biggest reason. To be addicted to placing trades.
Yeah. But I don't think you can avoid it, to be honest. You're going to have to go through everything to get to a point of understanding the markets and what you shouldn't be doing.
I mean, there's ways to do it. I just don't think they're very good. You can lock yourself out. You can do all things, all kinds of things.
Just lock yourself away from the computer.
Yeah. Put it in a safe. Forget the code.
Let's split. Bro said congrats on all payout. When is NQ going to be good? It gets good like later in the day that I've seen.
Yep.
So far. Put it in the fridge. That's the best way to do it. Why is gold not moved yet either? Did we have news today? We had no news today, right?
No. Oh. Wow. I didn't even check though. Yeah, we had unemployment claims at open. Oh no, an hour before open.
No.
At 5:30, so...
Hey Ralph, Finn, what's up? Nothing much. Just sitting through these wicks on NQ so far, bro.
These wicks, he says.
Actually ridiculous. It's just pushing and dropping, pushing. ES has been... Yeah, ES has been stronger. Definitely. All green. I took a loss yesterday. Here, I took a loss and then it ran higher. I took a win on Monday. So pretty much this week I've taken 3 trades, 1 loss, 1 win.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah. Not bad. I actually yesterday ruined my green streak because I was on a green streak for a while, and then of course it stops me out here, and then
Oh yeah,
rallies
that's
on.
classic. Classic.
Can't get away from it. I think sales come from 524s. Yeah, I guess. They're all just holding up too strong right now.
There's no reason to stay up though. YM is just starting to dump. Finn name reminds me of a character in the originals.
The originals? The show?
Oh,
bro, this...
yeah, probably. You know what it also
There's
should
no way
remind you of? Of the
Huh?
character of the character in Adventure Time.
You know who you remind me of? You remind me of Mordecai from regular show. You know who that
Bro,
is?
put Finn the human of Adventure Time in your chart.
Oh yeah, I know him. The little blue guy, right? I bet you now NQ's pushing, they're gonna sell one of these guys. Either it's gonna be Dow. It's probably gonna be Dow. Dow's gonna run these lows.
Oh yeah, for
until
sure.
NQ has enough. Do you guys know about regular show? That's probably the best show that ever came out. We better sell off. You see Dow selling off finally. If we can close below these up close candles, then I see no reason for it to just continue pumping.
It should now just dump.
You got 18 points. Nice. W. Oh yeah, this is a pretty nice candle in ES. If we can close below, this should sell off, you know. What is going on? When are me and Matt gonna stream together? I'll send this picture to him and then I'll ask what he thinks. We could do me, Finn, and Matt stream. Be legendary.
That would be like once in a lifetime that happens. That everyone will see that.
If I'm shorting here, I'm gonna put my stop above, so it's like 25 to 20 points. Sometimes I'll just go with a really tight stop, but that's when
How much do you risk on a trade?
With a really tight stop, I'll risk a lot more because I'm obviously
right.
I wouldn't keep the stop losses big, like if that makes sense. If I'm risking more, I'm gonna minimize the risk. You know, if that kind of makes sense. So say if I normally risk 300 per trade, if I'm going to risk more, I'm going to risk like 400 per trade, but I'm just going to keep the stop a bit smaller. I can't believe we haven't moved at all. Oh, Dow, you know. If anything, this thing is going to sell
Dow
off
is moving
down,
down, but it's always with Dow, it's just the way how it moves down, you know. How will it go down?
Like Dow should get this low, but the way it will get it, it'll be in like one single candle. Like closure below these two up close, I see no reason for him to push higher at all. I made profit today. Nice. Right, at this point, I don't see us holding up. Like, we should sell off. Should sell it. YM with the shorts, yeah. If any of them, YM will probably be the better.
Well, YM always leaves me surprised, so.
Come on. Can we do it? Can we actually sell off within the next 5 minutes? That would be legendary if we can.
We might be able to.
Am I in a short? No. I'm still bearish though. I want these lows to go. I don't want to enter into a chop. That's my biggest worry for today because I'm already green. Just want to see it die.
Thank you taking lows.
Bianchi should run at these lows. Oreo, please. If ES can get weaker, then Q should drop off too.
Yeah.
Same with Dow.
Dow is just dropping.
Come on.
Dow is still no close with. Oh, yeah, a close below the 3 minute.
Dow, yeah.
Not that I do a lot with Dow, but I mean, you know.
Holy chop.
Holy chop, yeah. And Q just randomly making a run up. Just like classic NQ.
Maybe the new 4-hour candle will move this to these lows. But I don't know. How boring though.
I
wish
mean,
we
from
could have
here
got
it
it.
should be moving lower.
Really curious. I'm really curious to see this thing sell off.
I would be very surprised if it doesn't, to be fair, because everything is pointing out that it should.
I know. We shall drop.
We shall drop.
Holy sells. Holy shorts, bro. Holy shorts. Bro, tank this market, please. Should we just stream until we run lower? Should we stream until like, I don't know, 10:15?
Not us being in a full sell-off.
There we go.
Let's go. I
Bro,
think we
who's
can get the
really
next
doing it
close
like
now.
me? Like me and who's really doing it like me and Finn, you know? Like every single stream, if you guys have
Sell-off
been
should be
following
now.
me and joining, I've literally called every single move for you guys. Like even when I play around, I'm still giving you the draw to the market. Y'all
Yeah,
just
buddy.
stop spamming. Gideon had to step in.
What did he say?
I would just TP if you guys are in this. I still think this low gets ran though. Come on.
I think we get the lows though. Let's get the lows. Come
Just get the
on,
lows.
you can
We
do
get
it.
the lows, then I'm done. Yeah.
Imagine not getting the lows now. Ooh, then we're never done. We should get like a money gun though, to be fair.
No, we should low key. Like the amount of times I called this market.
The amount of times that we are right, we should get the money gun out. Just like...
Somebody needs to make a compilation of that.
I cannot throw dirhams around though, because then I get deported.
Really?
Yeah.
Because actually,
oh, you guys hear noise in the background, don't you? Right? I don't know. Someone's trying to break in somewhere. I don't know.
It's your house.
I hope not. Come on, NQ, sell off that thing.
Dude, loads of people, as soon as something sells off like this, everyone just starts messaging me like, I caught it.
It's crazy.
All right, we're basically just waiting for these lows. Then I'm kind of done at this point. Hopefully we can get the lows. If not, if we just reverse from here, then
we're not done.
Then we're not done. Then we'll have to just wait and see if we can finally run
Wait until eternity.
Then we're gonna have to play Arc Rivals. Everyone's gonna have to watch us stream Arc Rivals.
Yeah.
But hopefully you guys caught a bit of that. I mean, every single stream, like I've probably been wrong about my bias, but more times than not, been right about where I want to see the market to go. And that's pretty much my strong point, just the draw on liquidity. I have weaknesses too, but like understanding where the market wants to go and having one bias only, that's just the best, well, the way that I kind of excel in. But yeah, I mean, we can do the winners.
I don't think we're gonna hit now, but for some reason we reverse. Well, we caught the sell-off, a part of the sell-off though, so you know.
All right. So, I mean, if you guys wanted to, what should we do? The word W's? Just spam W's if you did
W's, spam W's.
Yeah, just spam W's and then we'll
pick.
Like
W. I'm curious who caught an actual W.
I'm not seeing the W's get spammed in. I wanted to. Okay, this is good.
Did you pick one?
I still think we should run these lows though.
Wait, let me pick one. Trader Riasat. Oh, if I pronounced that well, that's one.
That's one. For a break. All right, that's the second winner. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream. You got something out of the stream as well, like picking up on the draw on liquidity, understanding where the market wants to go. 9 times out of 10, I am pretty accurate about that. Are we gonna run the lows? Should we just stay until the lows?
I mean, why
Can we
not?
get it?
Can we actually?
Can we?
Can we actually get it? Can we actually? Yeah, I
So
would
good.
be so surprised if we don't.
No, we definitely got to get this final low, maybe even lower, kind of down to here. Joe, there's no way you didn't catch those sells. You were here with me from the start. But yeah, well done to those that did win the account. We will be back live on Friday, and then I think Matt's live today, so you guys can tune in for that. So enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy Thanksgiving, and I'll speak to all of you guys on Friday with Finn. Right, take it easy, everyone.
Take it easy.